Motorsport is a great platform and open test bed for manufacturers to test their cars to the extremes and to also to push the boundaries to create new solutions, possibly for mobility in the future. For motorsports and the PROTON R3 team, this platform allows us to build cars and test them in the most extreme conditions. And one of the main races that we enter is Sepang 1000 km. It's a very difficult race that is raced in over long periods of time. It starts actually a lot longer than just before race day because it actually goes back months and sometimes even to the start of the year. We already have the plan for our program right from the start of the year. We know what we want to do. And we also do another race, which is the Malaysian Championship Series. It's a 5-round race, and this helps us prepare and find the best package for Sepang 1000 km race. So all these steps that we take builds up to the final race, and hopefully we'll hit our peak at that period of time. But directly before the race, it is more about making sure we have all the right equipment, all the crew is trained up, all the crew is familiar with what they need to do.
To become a race driver, you need to have a very good discipline, dedication and also fighting spirit.
Saya akan berlari, saya juga akan berenang, saya juga akan jaga pemakanan saya lah sebab kadang makan pedas-pedas ni banyak bagi kita rasa cepat penat. So pemakanan sangat kena jaga jugalah.
Because you need to have 101% focus on each and every lap.
The hardest thing to prepare for the race is always thinking of winning. That stress me out. Because we are in PROTON, basically one of the best team in the country. So our target is always winning the race. If we got second or third, it's quite bad for me. So always thinking of winning.
And the thing is, sometimes you do have bad moments during a race or during a race weekend. Is to shake that one off. It's more on the mental side for you to prepare yourself mentally, because you do need a good, strong mental strength in order for you to perform at the highest level. I owned a Megavolt before in the 90s. So now I'm driving basically the new Saga on the racetrack. It's a very nostalgic feeling. It is something that very hard to describe. It almost brings tears to your eyes thinking about it at times. Thinking that you used to own a car and used to race the first generation of PROTON Sagas. And then now you're back in the PROTON Sagas and racing it again in Sepang.
So during race day, there's lots of things happening. For example, drivers get to test the car, get to practice as well. And it's also the last chance for us to do any final check-up, any final testing. Also, we want to lock down the setup that we're going to actually use during the race. So we will confirm all these things with all the drivers. And that when everyone's happy, that's what we're going to be sticking with. And then it's all about preparing ourselves mentally, making sure the crew knows what they need to do, what the drivers need what to do. And hopefully, then it's time to race and we'll all get down and do our jobs.